Okay, this is my Dino Thunder Yellow Ranger, and I just picked up off of eBay. As you can see, the paint on the gold is all messed up. The white is chipped and messed up. And in some places, which I'm assuming was a factory thing, the white wasn't painted at all. And you can see on the chest area that the gold is flaking off. Even up here. You can see that that's good. They can get in there, and it looks like a little gouge was made on the helmet, and the helmet itself looks a little dirty, so try and clean that before I do anything. But that's the first thing I'm going to try and do. So I got some repairs to do. So now let's see how it comes out. Okay, so here she is, all restored. And as you can see, not only did I touch up all the white, but I also finished it up so it's all complete. And on the legs too. Get in closer here. You can see I also fixed the chest label, and that's what I did there. It's close up on the arm. Shoulder pieces, the neck, and I cleaned up the head helmet. And those hinge points I painted. They blend in. And you can see all the gold is fully restored with the nice shiny bronzy gold. And the belt is nice and chromed up again. Now, I don't currently have any of the weapons accessories, but that's something I'll be getting later. Alright, thanks for watching.